Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the BRATTY-30 Triple Strap Mary Janes in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Now let's get these out of the box and unwrapped so we can take a look. This model comes in women's USA sizes from 6 to 12, which also converts to European 36 to 42. Alright, here we have the first shoe. So the standout features of this shoe, which I'll show you more closely in a moment, has got to be the spider buckle and the cone studs. Here's a close-up now of the spider buckle. The chunky heel sole height is 2 3/4 inches at the heel with a 1-inch platform. We've got these 3 fully adjustable straps, with the last one being a velcro strap. Now let's get the other shoe as well. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style. Another close-up of the spider buckle here. We also have a metal back zipper to make it easier to get the shoes on and off without undoing the buckles once you've adjusted them to fit your foot. Consider helping our channel to grow by subscribing, which will encourage us to make more of these unboxing videos for you. Now let's see how they look together. Tell us if there is a Demonia or New Rock style that you want to see unboxed next time, and we will see what we can do to make it happen. These cone studs have just a little bit of a point on them. They're not as sharp as when we have the spiky studs. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching.